How to make 8D audio in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the CapCut application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for CapCut. As you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the CapCut application. So here I've already chosen a project. So you can choose a photo or a video for this process. Here I've chosen a photo. Now what you need to do is just tap on add audio and then you can see different options at the toolbar. You can tap on extract as well, or you can just go to sounds and select a music over here. So for example, I'm selecting this one. So just tap on plus icon and it will be added to your project. So what you need to do is just tap on audio effects, or you can just go and you can split the audio over here. And for the splitted audio, what you can do is just tap on audio effects and then you can see different options over here. Just tap on mic hog. You can tap and adjust and you can maintain and adjust your room size and then your strength, and then tap on tick mark and you'll be able to see difference in the audio in the CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.